Hello everyone, I'm Satha and today is 27th of June. I'm quickly going to tell you about something called repetition. So repetition is the mother of all skills. So if you look at all the big CEOs or all the people who have been successful in their lives, repetition is the key to getting a skill. Even very senior people as well tend to do a lot of repetitive stuff. So if you have to acquire a skill, you have to go on and do it on and on and on and on again. And be it meditation in the morning, be it physical exercise in the morning, be it yoga, be it pranayam, be it writing a book, writing a journal, or even whatever you want to do it in the morning, because morning is extremely important for all of us, as we know that morning shows the day, right? So we have to be very careful about how we treat our mornings, and if you do the same thing over and over again in the morning, it has more impact or positive impact on your life. So repetition is a master of all skill. Even if you do want to do some coding, right, maybe some technical coding, or maybe some practice of public speaking, wherever you go you will find that it is repetition which is the master of all success. If you do not practice, that is in fact repetition, you will never be a good public speaker. If you do not do more of, say, video editing, if it's your skill, then you will not be able to perform or give very high output videos. So whenever we say, even to our teams as well, we say that even if you want to do some planning exercise, and during planning you will find that there are a lot of iterations which will happen, right? So if you continue on doing and doing and doing the same thing over and over again, when you are learning a new skill, then that is repetition, and this repetition will help you fine tune all your very like nitty gritties of the exercise that you will be doing. So in order to develop a skill, definitely we would need repetition, and we would have to do or practice religiously, diligently, the repetition. So repeat the activity, stop, do a reflection. Whatever has been good or bad throughout the day. Even if at the night you can check that, okay, when you are writing your diary or a journal, so you will see that whatever the things that you have done throughout the day, take a stop and see if the same thing needs to be repeated next day, or if you want to do a little fine tuning or fine tuning of the way you have handled a situation in the day, then do the, if it is the same thing, you repeat the next day as well. If it needs a little bit of tweaking, do the tweaking and repeat the next day. So repetition is very key in order to be successful, and in order to do skill development, in order to build a skill. Even if you see children, so you will see that the same exercise goes on and on, right? If you see gymnasts, if you see the gymnasts in the circus, right, the people who do the trapeze, they master the skill. How? It's just by repetition. So please practice repetition. That is the key to building a skill. And for today, that's it for today from my side. It's been a lovely morning, and good morning again to all of you. And today is Sunday, so enjoy your time out, and thank you, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.